Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can close your Hotmail account. Now Hotmail account's name has been changed into Outlook, so don't get confused because I'm showing you Outlook, alright? Hotmail and Outlook is similar. So what you want to do is come to outlook.live.com, which is the official website of Outlook, and log in into your account. Once you log in into your Outlook account, it's going to look something like this. Now from over here, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen and click on My Microsoft Account. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to the setting page of your account. Now from over here, what you want to do is wait for some time until the page loads up. Now once your page loads up, what you want to do is click on where it says Your Info. And once you're in Your Info page, scroll a bit down until you see the option called Close Account. Click on Close Account. Once you do that, it's going to show you all the things that will happen once you close your account. And if you're sure you want to close your account even after reading all this, click on Continue. Once you click on Continue, it's going to bring you to this page. Now over here, what you want to do is scroll a bit down until you see this option called Continue with closing your account. Click on it. Once you click on that, you want to scroll a bit down again and click on over here where it says Continue with closing your account again, and click on where it says Go to close your account below. Once you do that, it is going to take you to this place. Now over here, you need to enter the password of your Hotmail or your Outlook account. Once you enter the password, click on Sign In. You will be logged in into your Outlook account. Once you log in into your Outlook account or your Hotmail account will be deleted. So that is how you guys can delete your Outlook account or your Hotmail account. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.